Hey guys, it's Candace, the Edgy Veg.
Hi, it's me, Molly, the Gen Z Veg.
And you guys seem to love when we do taste test videos, so we are back with should you buy it or should you save your money? Yes, that's
Holiday edition.
That's the name of the segment, right? Sure.
Yeah, okay.
It's December, and there's tons of vegan products that are coming out that are holiday themed, and we figured let's see which ones are good and which ones you should just leave on the shelf.
All of them are holiday themed. Most of them are dessert. All of them are dessert. Awesome. Good choice, Candace. So we have some chocolate bars. We have some coffee creamer. We have, what are those called?
Marshmallows.
I was gonna call them mushrooms. They're not mushrooms.
Nope, not mushrooms.
Those are marshmallows. Cookies, gummies, and nog.
Nog. Holiday nog. But before we start tasting, we wanted to give a huge thank you to Trade Coffee, who is sponsoring today's video. With Trade, you can discover new coffees from local roasters near you. But more on that later. Well, let's go right into it and start with candy.
Yum Earth.
We're gonna move these out of the way.
Yum Earth. These are allergy-friendly candy. They're vegan, gluten-free, organic, flavored with real fruit and vegetable juices, manufactured and packaged in a peanut-free facility. No soy, egg, dairy, fish, shellfish, artificial dyes, high fructose corn syrup. Comes in peach, cherry, and strawberry smash.
These ones were $9.98 for the gummy fruits. And how
Kind of
many
a big
in there?
bag.
Kind of a big bag, but $10 for candy's a lot. I wish these like healthy candy companies or like plant-based candy companies could come up with a way to cut down on production costs so that we're not paying like $1 for one of these. Because how many pouches are in this? So it's like $1 a bag. All right, so they look like this.
Organic rice syrup, cane sugar, pectin, citric acid, ascorbic acid, natural flavors.
Your snow sweet, it says. I guess what makes it Christmassy are the shapes.
Yeah.
Am I okay?
You want to try mine?
I guess so, yeah.
This one's the cherry, the snowflake, I think. That's peach. This is cherry.
A little snowman.
That one's the strawberry in the middle.
All right.
Oh my god, my nails are so bad. I can't believe I did that.
I love the texture.
Oh my god.
Nom 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 nom.
Welch's Fruit Snacks.
Yeah, these are so good. Yeah, 10 out of 10 right away.
Okay, that was easy.
Yeah. Ooh, I would buy these again in a heartbeat. Probably more if they were less than $10 though.
Really good.
All right, first one's a win. Next.
You like my pants?
I do. I love your pants.
They're chef pants. They're flame retarded.
They're flammable. I was like,
They're
okay.
opposite of flammable.
Most clothes are flammable, just in case, you want to set yourself on fire for
Don't
Christmas.
try.
All right, next up we have Benjamissimo Christmas Edition Gingerbread Almond Organic and Vegan Chocolate. The base of this chocolate is organic, vegan, white cocoa bar with almonds and gingerbread spices, tiger nut, and coconut cream.
What's a tiger nut? I've never heard of that.
I've heard of it. I've had tiger nut milk before, but it's a nut. I don't know why tiger. I don't know. I feel like I bought tiger nut once before and they were like, did you know that it's actually not a nut?
Let us know.
Insert fun fact here in post. I like white chocolate. Do you like white chocolate?
I really like white chocolate.
Oh, it's soft.
Bit soapy.
I was just going to say that. Once you get into it, you get the gingerbread, but at first it's kind of soapy. Soapy texture.
It's like mashed potato or candle. Candle.
Yeah. Once you get there, like, I like it, but I'm not satisfied. It's very soapy. Maybe they have just too much cardamom. You know when there's too much cardamom and it tastes soapy? It's like that, but it's also a weird texture. It's too oily. It's oily.
Yeah.
It's oily.
It's like waxy at this point.
Yeah, no. I don't like it. It's like, maybe melt it down into like a hot chocolate.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Good hot chocolate. This chocolate bar was $6. Too much, in my opinion, for soap chocolate. Next. All right, so the next one is a coffee creamer. It's Silk Peppermint Mocha for coffee almond. For this, we're going to need a coffee. So this is a great time to talk about our sponsor. I have been loving using Trade. They have decaf, which is perfect for me. You guys know that I love the taste of coffee, but because of some like issues with caffeine and how it triggers my anxiety, I've been loving decaf and have switched to tea and decaf. So it's been really fun to try a interesting selection of different coffees and the different notes that they have for each one. With Trade, you can discover new coffees from the nation's best local roasters. Trade matches your own personal selection of coffee and ships straight from the roastery at peak freshness. So how does it work? It's super easy. All you have to do is take an online quiz. It asks you about your coffee preferences, and Trade will curate the perfect matches of coffee for you. Then you just choose your delivery frequency and it'll appear at your doorstep, delivered at peak freshness, so you will always have coffee right when you need it. Then rate your matches, so rate the coffee so Trade can continue to delight you with coffees you'll love. Trade uses compostable packaging to ship all of their coffee, which I love. You guys know how much I love eco-friendly packaging. And I love that all their roasters are local. It feels so good to support small local roasters, and the quality is way, way better. Trade also has a first match guarantee, which means that they guarantee that you'll love your first coffee, but if you don't, they'll ship you out a different bag completely for free. This makes a great gift for the coffee lover in your life. Give them the gift of better coffee this holiday season. So I receive a couple different types of decaf coffees, and I love beans. So when you take the test, you can choose like if you like grounds or whole beans. I love whole beans. I like to do the ritual of coffee, so I like to grind it myself. I've been loving this nightcap. It is decaf, of course, like I said. It has like tastes of almond and molasses and cola. It's from Honduras, and it also says the process and like who the producer is, which I love. So I've been loving this one, and that's the one that we're going to taste test with our peppermint creamer. More information about Trade is going to be in the description box down below. There's a link there to the quiz for you to take, and they have free shipping. We love that. And make sure to use my code for $15 off your first 3 bags. All right, so we have our Silk Peppermint Mocha. We have our Trade coffee.
Decaf.
Decaf. It's also like halfway through the day. Almond base, and it is sweetened. So let's see. So this is Peppermint Mocha. It's really good. It's really sweet, but I kind of expect that from peppermint and mocha.
But it's not, it's like not too minty.
Yeah,
it's really nice.
It's really nice. It kind of like, it's giving me, well, mocha is essentially hot chocolate and coffee, which is why it's giving me coffee
Very
and hot chocolate.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah, I also love these mugs that you have.
Right? They, you know what? It's quite sweet, but it's not as sweet as some of the other creamers that I've had. It's also not too thick either. Yeah, I don't like.
It's not like oily.
Yeah, because sometimes creamers are pretty oily. I love this. This is really nice.
This is really nice. Yeah.
Would I have this every day? No.
Leading up to Christmas?
Maybe then, yes. Would I have like a creamer like this, a flavored creamer in my coffee every day? No, but it's a really, really nice treat, especially on like the weekend.
Or like Christmas morning.
It's snowing outside.
Yeah, it's really nice. And you can't afford Starbucks. You don't have to, because Trade Coffee will come to your door.
Bing, bing, bing. Did I just say bing, bing, bing as opposed to ding, ding, ding? Nice. Yeah, this is so tasty, and I love this coffee. When I did my quiz, I selected like medium and lighter roasts because that's just kind of what I prefer, and like exotic flavors. What do you think of the coffee?
I really like it. It's really fresh, not too dark and bitter. It's very awake for being a nightcap.
And it's light. It's very, very light. Oh, I mean, it's not the most attractive cookie.
This is another good allergy-free, no wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, milk, casein, egg, sesame, I hope there's no mustard in the cookies. Peppermint, chocolate bark, soft-baked cookies.
By Enjoy Life.
And they're gluten-free.
They're good. A little grainy. I feel like I smell more peppermint than I taste.
But it's not overly like toothpastey. It's very like Thin Mints flavor.
After 8?
It's like a Thin Mints 2-bite brownie.
Yeah. But with a little bit of grain, because it's gluten-free. I feel like you can't really escape that with gluten-free.
But
yeah,
I don't mind.
mean, I probably won't buy them again.
I really like them.
Yeah, you would buy them?
Especially for $5.
Yeah. I don't know that I would buy them again, but if you had them at your house and invited me over for Christmas, I'd eat them.
Good. Next. This one is
Earth's Own, $4.
It's one of the more accessible ones.
Yeah, I found this in a couple of grocery stores, actually. I like the color of it. So this is the Earth's Own oat nog, gluten-free. We dig plants. Sweet.
I really like the smell of it.
I always find that you don't get enough egginess in vegan eggnog. It's just like really, really sweet. So let's see. Oh, that's eggy.
That's eggnog for sure.
Ooh, that's probably the best one I've tried over the years.
It's a bit thin. I feel like eggnog, Like the traditional is really, really thick.
Like really rich. Oh, also this was $3.98. So comparable to like a fancier carton of like barista blend or something. That's really good.
I really like that.
It's not overwhelming in like the traditional like spice. I feel like when there's vegan eggnog, they like just add a bunch of spices to make up for the fact that like there's no egg in it, and it's not overwhelming. Could be a little bit thicker for that mouthfeel, but I think the flavor's spot on.
With a little rum,
Ooh my!
you're all set.
And a Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah, I like it.
I really like that. I'm gonna tell everybody to buy this. Every time.
You just did.
Oh yeah, that's true. Every time my mom buys like a holiday nog, she's disappointed, so I'm gonna tell her to get this one. We have lots of wins today. 10 out of 10.
Lots of gluten-free wins. I'm pretty excited about this selection box. They have buttons. You ever have
Oh, chalky buttons.
Cadbury buttons?
No, but it's very like English. My grandparents are from England originally, and chocolate buttons. Moo-free selection box for dairy dodging Christmas chalky chompers.
Oh my God.
Say that 5
That's
times
me.
fast. So it's dairy-free, gluten-free, and vegan chocolates. Look how cute. So we have our strawberry, bunny comb, caramel, white chocolate, and chalky buttons.
And chalky buttons.
All rice flour, sunflower. Yeah, okay. All kind of like cocoa, rice flour, sunflower.
Oh, and a vegan honeycomb.
Oh my. Well, I mean, we can't try all of them. It would be like 2 years
I think
long.
we've said the word chalky buttons enough time that we should probably try the chalky button. Do you want to go bunny comb?
Yes.
It's a vegan honeycomb. I'm pretty excited about.
I feel like white chocolate. We've tried white chocolate on the channel before. Caramel. Like, is it filled with caramel? Oh, my stomach. Jesus.
I hope the mic caught that. That was gnarly.
Right? Wow.
Smells like chocolate.
I hope so.
It's a crunchy bar.
Yeah. I was just thinking that. I like that.
That was really good.
The chocolate is a little bit oily, but I feel like the toffee makes up for it. Really good though.
Yeah, really,
Do
really
like
good.
7.5, 8 out of 10.
Yeah, I just really like it. If you have a vegan Secret Santa that you need to buy for, this is an easy one.
Yeah. Who doesn't like chocolate? I'm sure lots of people, but we're not gonna worry about them.
Dandy's vegan marshmallows. I love Dandy's.
I also love Dandies.
Do they make anything else or just marshmallows?
I think they just make marshmallows.
It's made of cassava syrup, cane sugar, soy protein, beet juice, and peppermint flavor.
All right, so the Dandies, that package is $3.78, which I mean is a lot for marshmallows.
But you can find their regular marshmallows at the grocery store. I'm not sure about the holiday ones, but really good for like a hot cocoa or a holiday Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah.
And they're no gelatin, so they're like kosher, gluten-free, peanut-free. Really good texture.
Yeah, great texture. Really good in a hot chocolate for sure. Or Rice Krispie Squares.
Really good.
Yeah, I mean, I love Dandies, so 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, texture and flavor perfect.
This is the first time I'm trying these ones. I've had the pumpkin spice ones, which are so good, and then the regular ones.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that was easy. Should we move on to the next? We have the milkless peppermint bark with chunks of real candy cane. This is from No Way Foods. I have had No Way Foods, but I have not tried this. This is made of cocoa butter, rice syrup powder. So a lot of these chocolates were made with rice syrup powder.
Thanks.
Kind of like dry, chalky.
There's not a lot of chocolate.
I only taste like candy cane, which is not a bad thing, but when you're expecting like a creamy chocolate and all you get is hard candy cane.
There's a lot of candy cane.
Yeah, like it's not bad, it's just not what I was expecting.
It's not very sweet either. So maybe if you're the kind of person who doesn't like something as sweet.
I don't love like super sweet chocolate. So I mean, I like it, I just was expecting more chocolate.
But again, melted down into a hot chocolate.
I'm getting like peppermint bark vibes. Is that what
That's what it's called.
Oh, okay. Well,
Nailed it.
yay. Yeah, I would buy that again.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I like it a lot. What would you rate it?
7 out of 10? 7.5?
Yeah, same. All right. Well, those are all of the things that we have to taste test, right? We love doing these videos, so if you guys have requests for taste testing items, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And thank you so much to Trade Coffee for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box. You can do your matchmaking coffee quiz there, as well as get the coupon code down there for $15 off your first 3 bags. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button.
Hopefully we helped you shop for your Christmas party this year.
I hope so.
We'll see you next time.
Okay, bye.
I always forget our script.
This coffee is really good.